Water is essential to life, and we're passionate about providing our customers with the best potable water system solutions. That's why we're Connected, your complete potable water system source. Our product line includes PEX-A pipe, fittings, tools, and accessories, PEX-B pipe, fittings, tools, and accessories, push-to-connect fittings and accessories, PVC, CPVC, press fittings, and more. We're not just about selling products. We're committed to bringing innovative products to our customers. And we never take for granted the trust they place in us.
The trust that we build with our vendors, with our customers, are extremely important to the overall business environment. At the end of the day, if you don't have trust that we can do what we tell them we're going to do, we're going to manufacture and supply them product that works and continually works in a way that they can depend on, is critical.
The Apollo brand is extremely recognizable and known for a high-quality, dependable product. The company culture is family, and employees are our most important asset. We value our employees' work ethic and contribution to the overall business and continue to provide them the support they need to be successful.
We foster creativity, innovation in products every day by just creating an environment that there are no bad ideas and only good ideas, and anything, again, in the PEX solution that can help our end user do their job easier. We look for those type of opportunities in everything that we do.
We're a leader in the industry, and we work hard to live up to it every day. Choose the Mosack Group for all your potable water system needs.